Hi there again, it's Scott with Mr. Water. Today is September 24th, 2018, and I am in Knoxville, Maryland, which is in Frederick County near the Potomac River. And of course we have a well system here, as you can see. We also have a antiquated Culligan system that they've been having problems with. This one's really not that old. um, According to them, it's 6 years old, and they had Culligan out here, and they basically couldn't fix it. There's no parts available for it. This one's a Medalist right here, and this is a Cullneu manual backwash. It's got a knob on top there that you got to turn and manually backwash this tank. And you know, left to itself, it just seems to never get done, and you end up with problems and sediment buildup in this tank. Plus the water pressure is not good through these systems. They're just very restrictive. So also what we got at this house is an unusual water analysis where the water is acidic and hard at the same time. There's about 25 grain hard water in this place, and the pH is somewhere around 5.8, 5.9, somewhere around 5.9, I would say. And my experience has shown that with that much hardness in the water, even though the water may be acidic, there's two aquifers combining down there, it seems to me. And but the water's not aggressive. It doesn't really seem to cause problems in the house with water analysis like this. There's enough bicarbonate alkalinity in the water where you really don't need an acid neutralizer. You know, it certainly wouldn't hurt anything to have it, but it's unnecessary, and you know, it's just one of those things where, you know, you want to combine a system, or basically just go with a system that's going to be much less maintenance. And you'll see when I'm done what we're talking about. It's going to be a major improvement with a couple filters and a much larger water softener. In fact, the water softener tank's just about the same size as this Culligan neutralizer, so it's going to be a 48,000 grain system. So anyway, this is a little bit longer than I typically do the videos, but we're basically going to do a before and after, and I'll show you the finished product in the next video.